Good evening, guys. It's been quite an eventful day today. So much action in the market, and I'm sure we've all made some great pips out there. So I'll just be looking at doing a recap of our trades. Euro USD, quite a bullish run since on Friday, and it has retested this rising trend line, which you can see here. Let's take it down to 4 hours. You can see a very clear bearish pin bar almost off the trend line, and this also seems, this 4 hour candle seems to is going to close as a doji. So I don't expect Euro USD to go beyond this point. If it should go higher than this, it should be limited by this falling trend line. So I'm out of Euro USD buy for now. Now, even with this pin bar on 4 hours off this trend line, I am not inclined to sell just yet. The situation in America right now, voting and what have you, I'm just going to stand aside for now. No matter how tempting it is to trade, I'm going to stand aside. Looking at USD CHF, similar thing. We see a pin bar forming on the daily, but it's kind of in no man's land here. You can say there is some sort of support here, but it's not so evident. I still expect price to, in the coming days and maybe weeks, still try to target this rising trend line, or possibly this horizontal support. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm out of that trade for now. If I see another reason to go short, I'll go short, but I think it should still fall for now. USD JPY, well, there's every reason for it to target this area, but I'm out for now. It has broken this trend line. If you extend this here, it has broken that. It has gone through this, broken this support. So really I expect it to go down, but then again, the volatility in the market, I choose to stay out of this one. I placed 2 trades on this and I'm out of both. AUD USD, like I said in the last video, I'm waiting for either a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout of this bullish or bearish breakout out of this trading range. That will give me a reason to either buy or sell. Euro GBP, I bought on Friday, then I bought again yesterday, but I see the market as a little indecisive, so I'm out of that. Booked a few pips and I'm out of that. Euro AUD, I'm still holding on to my buy for now, based on the break of this trend line, and also we can see that the daily closed as a pin bar yesterday, and I expect a little more bullish momentum on this pair. I'll continue to watch it closely into tomorrow morning, late tomorrow. If it's not moving in my direction, I'll just close it. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. I'm selling this pair. It has broken the rising trend line, so initial target is this this area here. Now it's the downward momentum has somewhat slowed from last night, but let's continue to look at it and see what happens between now and tomorrow morning. I believe there's going to be a public holiday in Japan tomorrow, so I might not expect much movement from JPY pairs tomorrow based on that. GBP CHF, I think it has lost some of its downward momentum, so I'm out of both trades, booked a few pips. GBP JPY, similar to Euro JPY, lost some of its momentum, but clearly it has broken this trend line. It has retested it a couple of times, so I expect it to fall, so I'm just waiting for that to happen. Now, interesting, silver and gold. This was my target for buying, although I panicked and exited the buy just before it got to that zone, and you can see it's forming a nice pin bar on the daily. It has rejected that zone and seems as if it's gearing up for a sell, but based on the uncertainty of the dollar right now, I am not going to be selling this yet. You can see price action on 4 hours, what it looks like. Same thing for gold. The pin bar is not complete on gold yet, but we can see that gold actually got to that level and was rejected by that level, gearing up for a sell, but I won't sell yet. Now, Euro CAD is not a pair I've been analyzing this week, but I saw this and I think there will be a setup coming on this pair, a bearish setup coming on this pair in the coming days. You can see a very big pin bar off that resistance, so I'm looking for something to happen maybe next week. We'll look at how the market is and decide whether or not to trade that. Yeah, AUD JPY, sorry, from the weekly we can see very good reason why to sell. It's trading within this triangle here, pin bar off the descending trend line, daily pin bar off the descending trend line. 4 hours, we can see there's a clear break of this rising trend line, so I expect the market to fall within the coming days. So I think with that concludes my outlook for the rest of the week and trades going into next week. My videos might not be coming out, updates might not be much from tomorrow, as I will be a little bit busy at work, but with this I think we can still look at what is going on in the market and still make good trading decisions and make enough pips in the coming days.